Sa tugaw na race number 2. Gauge plan, Racing, Slacker, Symbol, Gorgeous, Chelsea, Sheer, Super Spicy, 20 yards out to well, Miss Dainty is running in the table field. Out of straight they travel, Gorgeous Chelsea in front line, followed by Sheer, and rushing up 90 yards out to well, then followed by Super Spicy, Striker, Symbol, and Miss Dainty as they hit the back stretch with Gorgeous Chelsea, leads by some 3 lengths out to well, now running second. One bar with Sheer, Super Spicy, Miss Dainty, and Striker, Symbol. As they pass the last 600, Gorgeous Chelsea still in front out to well, Sheer, Miss Dainty, and Super Spicy. Not in the last, they pass the last 400. Gorgeous Chelsea out to well, Super Spicy. Now moving up as they turn from Gorgeous Chelsea and Super Spicy now, and Striker, Symbol now on farther outside and down to the finish now. Super Spicy moving up, Striker, Symbol, and finally Striker, Symbol. Super Spicy close, Miss Dainty, and Gorgeous Chelsea.
Okay, mga karedista, for your race number 2, ang ating pong unofficial winner. Ito po, numero 1, Striker, Symbol. Nirendahan po yan ni JB Senido, Masi Segundo. Numero 4, Super Spicy. Numero 6, Miss Dainty. At papasa sa inyong quartet, numero 2, Gorgeous Chelsea. 1, 4, 6, 2 po ang ating unofficial placing. Muli po natin tingnan ang kakatapos lang na karera.